We have covered the Honor View20 quite a bit with a few videos showing off this phone already, so in this video I want to go over my top 5 favorite features in the Honor View20. Starting off with number 1, we have the 48 megapixel camera. The Honor View20 was the first phone to feature a 40 megapixel AI camera, setting the bar pretty high for smartphone photography in 2019. Powered by the Kirin 980 NPU, the AI camera will be able to detect different types of objects that you're shooting and make adjustments to get the best image possible. The 48 megapixel sensor produces super high quality photos at 8000 by 6000 pixels. This gives you tons of detail to work with if you're editing your photos. At number 2, we have the all-view display. This display comes in at 6.4 inches and has a resolution of 1080 by 2310p. The display extends from edge to edge and top to bottom, making an 85.7% screen to body ratio. This is done by removing the notch and replacing it with a hole punch camera for the selfie sensor. The other sensors are moved to the top of the phone where they function as normal. Number 3 is the Aurora Nano texture design. Honor is no stranger to creating phones with extremely unique designs. One of the strongest aspects of any of their phone is the standout colors and designs that set their phones apart from anything else on the market. The Honor View20 keeps the tradition with the Aurora Nano texture design. Honor describes this as aesthetics in motion, as it creates a V shape on the back of your phone which moves with the light. My 4th favorite feature is Emui 9. Emui is always evolving and getting better with each update. The Honor View20 comes with Emui 9, which enables a lot of useful tools and significantly improves the settings menu. Emui 9 has received a lot of criticism in the past, especially by me, but at this point I feel like it's evolved to be one of the better OEM UIs out there. And the 5th and last feature I'll talk about is the Kirin 980 chipset. At the center of all the great features of the Honor View20, you have the Kirin 980 chipset powering it all. This is the fastest Kirin chipset to date and makes the overall performance on the View20 one of the best on the market. We put the Kirin 980 to the test to see how it performs with games. Read our in-depth review of the Honor View20 as a gaming phone with the link that I will leave in the description below. I'll also leave a link to our full camera review so you can check that out as well. This has been the top 5 features of the Honor View20. Thanks for watching the video and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one.